Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technology. Today I will show you, I got this Huawei Honor Band 5 which is the latest version. Today I will show you how to change its strap, try other different color straps. So first of all, you can see that there are two hooks here, 1 and 2. You have to just pinch your nail in it like that. You can see it. Same with the other side. Take it out and you have to just simply remove it. You can change different color straps with it.
And to fix that straps again, you simply have to knock that hooks again. Slightly push a bit. So guys, that's how it is done.